Okay, we're going to do a little bit of honing here. The last time I did honing, people got pissed off at me because I was doing dangerous stuff. Yeah, it's called honing. It means I got to hold on to these cylinders hard. If I don't hold on hard enough, it rips out and grabs my fingers and tries to rip and tear on them a little bit. So hold on to them. Okay, we'll try these coarse stones, see how they work. Okay, so the way you don't lose your fingers, you got to hold on to these things pretty heavily. So if you don't hold on them very heavily, they will move around and bite you in the butt, big time. So you got to hold on to them. So you got to have really strong grip strength, and you got to have real good muscle strength this way too. So, and you got to find a spot that doesn't have the sharp spots that eat on you. Like these are really sharp here. There's not much to hold on this side. This side I can hold on to pretty good. I got something in my palm to hit against. But I'm pinching like this thin here, which is kind of hard to hold on to. This is sharp here, which is going to be eating on my thumb because I got to squeeze real hard on that. So I don't like that surface at all. This one is really sharp under there. This one feels pretty good here. So I got two good spots to hold on to. Feels good. Oh, that sucks there. Sharp again, sharp. No good. Okay, so that's the spot right there. Set your stone down there, crank the pressure up so I can work my butt off. Crank this thing down, so we're going to finish at something just above 0. So let's try to go for a 5 thou honing. That'll probably take a while. Alright. See what happens. See how uneven it is in there? Oh yeah, it looks horrible. Looks really bad. It's gonna make a mess, but anyway, you can see the honing in there, how it's like that. Dripping oil on this casing below. So that was that one. Let's see what this one feels like. It doesn't have as good of a spot to hold on to, but I guess this is it. Feels about the same. Doesn't look quite as bad, but it's not very good either. There's the pressure. More pressure. Starting to build up now. Oh yeah. You can hear the load on the motor. And me. Oh yeah. That's the load on it. Someone's going to quit here in a minute. I need a motor. Sharpen my fingers. Someone's warming up. I got a long ways to go. Whew. Biting. Biting hard. Once that full stone surface starts digging in, it starts getting hard to hold on to. There's a sharp edge that's holding on to. Yeah, pretty uneven. Whew. Ah. It's not cut enough on this end here. It felt like it was cutting more on the other side. It was. I feel like that's what it needed. Absolutely doesn't. So we got to cut more on this side. Which means I got to hold more on that side. So you spend more time over here than over here. Play around with the pressures a little bit. Change where you hold a little bit. So get a sharp edge within digging the thumb though. Whoa, what happened there? Whew. Warms you up too, in the cylinder. Take the metal out though. Oh yeah, take the metal out. .20. Find that sweet spot where we don't get taper. Got a half a thou taper right now. Now it's small on this side. And that side's going to shrink, which will make it even more taper. It's a lot harder down here. Less dissipation. No fins there. Harder to hold conduit there too. Okay, where we at here? 0, a little fast. Okay, it's pretty even now. It's hot, really hot. Let it cool off. So that one's just over 20. Down to 17, so that's 3 thou bigger over there. Okay. Let's see how we're going to do this. Try to hold it more even this time. Do a lot of jumping around, so move around a little bit. Try to get that out of it. Whew. Ah. More to thaw it around. Probably that much taper also. Bigger on this side. It's hotter on this side too, so it's probably about equal. So we took out 2 1/4 thou there. Doing that. Whew. More, a little more horny on this side than that side. Keep it straight. All right. Round up there now. We got taper though. Definitely got taper. Half a thou. And rub it out around. What number are we at? Just under 20. A little smaller than that one. Yeah, there's a good spot right there. The other direction again. I find that sweet spot where it holds equally. Yeah, a little closer. 21 1/4 now. Inside the cylinder. Tight up here. Loose there. Little snug that way, loose that way. The average is screwed all the way around, but it's definitely out around. Okay. I gotta cool off. This gotta cool off. So we'll be back in about an hour. Finish these up. Maybe quicker if I'm lucky. That's it for now.